Hi there, many thanks for checking out this product review. But first, I have something really special to share with you. You'll never have seen anything like this before. Myself and the team will build your entire internet business for you, and also work by your side until you achieve $10,000 plus per month. We will also ensure your success by setting it all up. Yes, having everything done for you. A complete done-for-you home business called 100K Alliance. It also comes with some great free bonuses. You'll see a link in the description below. Take a look, it's free. Now to the review I promised you.
Are you ready to step into the world of digital entrepreneurship? Do you want to start an online business where profits flow effortlessly? Then behold, the innovation you've been waiting for. We've engineered a product that's not just trending right now, it's setting the digital world on fire. So let's delve into the extraordinary financial rewards that await you. Say farewell to the grind of content creation. We're handing you the golden ticket to the jackpot. Ever wondered how some of us have skyrocketed our fortunes by selling PLR products online? What's holding you back from ascending to the ranks of digital marketing's elite? Well, that all changes today. Introducing AI Business Masterclass with complete private label rights. A comprehensive step-by-step guide you need to kickstart your online business and start making money today. Our product is engineered for simplicity, so you don't need any expertise to start earning money. This step-by-step guide will provide you with everything you need to start a profit-generating online business. Making money online has never been this easy. All you need is the desire to transform your financial future. This hands-on guide will teach you to understand how artificial intelligence is transforming the way companies operate and why it's poised to be a game-changer for your business. Gain a deeper understanding of the importance of AI integration and data infrastructure. Learn how to leverage your data to feed AI algorithms. Dive deep into machine learning techniques and applications. Learn how AI can understand your customers, predict their needs, and deliver personalized experiences that drive loyalty and revenue. Discover how AI can optimize your advertising, create engaging content, and provide round-the-clock customer support. Learn how AI-driven insights can enhance your sales strategies, improve conversions, and increase customer satisfaction. And so much more. Here's what you will receive when you purchase your package today. Module 1, Premium Quality Guide. Module 2, Checklist. Module 3, Mind Map. Module 4, Resource Cheat Sheet. Module 5, Ready-Made Sales Letter and Thank You Page. Module 6, Lead Magnet and Opt-in Page. Module 7, High-Quality Professional Graphics. Module 8, 10 High-Quality Articles. Module 9, Promotional Email Swipes. Module 10, Viral Social Media Images Pack. Module 11, License Pack. So what are you waiting for? You can start profiting right away and continue to reap the rewards for months to come. Buy this complete done-for-you product today, put your name on it, and keep 100% of the profits when you sell. It really is that simple. So why hesitate? Seize this extraordinary opportunity to revolutionize your online business, supercharge your profits. The time is now.